Hello everyone, welcome to Amuda Academy. In this video, we are going to solve a question which has partner's capital account in death of a partner. So let us see what the question is saying and I will understand each thing, then we will solve the question. So you're given balance sheet of Mohit, Sohan and Rahul who are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2 is to 2 is to 1. So on 31st March 2017 the balance sheet is given and in the balance sheet we have goodwill. You have to remember this, right? So I will explain what to do with this goodwill. Fixed assets are there and stocks, debtors, cash at bank, and also we have general reserve. So if we have any reserve we have to share among the partners in partners capital account, and they have given capital and creditors also, right? So let us see who died. Sohan died on June 15, which means the year will start 1st April, correct? So 1st April to June 15. How many months are there? April, May, June, which means mid of the June means 2.5 months. 2.5 months he was there in the firm. So we have to calculate profits accordingly, right? Fine. His legal representative are entitled to balance in capital we have to settle, and a share of goodwill valued on the basis of price of the average profit of past 4 years. So I will explain what it is while calculating, right? So clearly they are giving, if we get average profit, price of that goodwill will be there, correct? That's it. Share in profits up to the date of death on the basis of the average profit for the past 4 years. The profit will be average profit of last 4 years. Interest on capital they have given 12%, and the new profit sharing ratio of the firm will be 3 is to 2. So let us note it down what are all the ratios they are given. Old ratio is 2 is to 2 is to 1, and new ratio is 3 is to 2. Mohit and Rahul respectively. Profits for the year ending March 31st, 2014, 15, 16, 17 respectively were 15,000, 17,000, and 19, 13. So this is the average profit. Sorry, this is the profit of last 4 years, and we have to find out average profit out of it. Sohan's legal representative were to be paid the amount due. Okay. Mohit and Rahul continued as partner by taking over Sohan's share equally, which means whatever share was given to Sohan, on that they were taking 1 is to 1, which means equal ratio. They are dividing whatever Sohan's share is there, that share they are sharing in equal ratio, which means it is a gain ratio 1 is to 1. That's it. So let us start preparing the partner's capital account one by one. We will solve and understand. So let me prepare column. So this is your Sohan's capital account, right? Sohan's capital account, particulars, amount and amount, right? So let us see what is given. The first thing what we will do in the partners capital account, we have to take capital. So Sohan's capital, so balance brought down will be 25,000, which is given in the balance sheet, correct? So this is his share of capital. So we have taken it. And second thing we have to say is, if there is any reserve in the balance sheet, we have to share among the parties. Right. So general reserve is 25,000. What is a share? So general reserve is 25,000. His the share will be 2 by 5. So how much it is? 25,000 into 2 by 5. This is whole ratio, correct? So 10,000. So general reserve is 10,000. Next, what is there? And yeah, goodwill is there. So if you see any goodwill in balance sheet, we have to share among the partners. We have to show it in the debit side of partners capital account, because already some goodwill we have calculated and given. So goodwill in balance sheet, it is 30,000 into 2 by 5. So is share. So goodwill into 2 by 5. It is 12,000 rupees. Where we have to show? We have to show on debit side. Already some goodwill is there. So goodwill 12,000 rupees of his share. Fine, understood. Next, is there anything? No. Let us go to adjustments. Balance in capital account. Okay. Share of goodwill valued on the basis of price, the average profits of the last 4 years. So let us calculate goodwill um, on the basis of last year's profit. So what is the last year's profit they have given? 15, 17, 19, 13. So 15,000 plus how much it is? The 17, 19, 13. 17,000, 19,000, 13,000 divided by, if you do 4, you'll get average. So what is the average profit? 15,000 plus 17,000 plus 19,000 plus 13,000 divided by, it is 64,000 divided by 4, it will be 40, sorry, 60, 64,000 by 4. Yes, average profit is 16,000. So goodwill will be thrice the average profit, which means goodwill equals average profit, that is 16,000 rupees, into thrice into 3, that is 48,000 will be the total goodwill. Out of 48,000, what is Sohan's goodwill? 48,000 into 2 by 5, his share, into 2 by 5 is 19,200. 19,200 is the share of goodwill. This goodwill will be compensated by whom? Continuing partner. Correct. Who is the continuing partner? Mohit and Rahul. Mohit and Rahul. Mohit and Rahul. Right. So let us calculate that. 19,200. 19,200 into, in what ratio they will give? They will give in gain ratio 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So gain ratio already we have taken right from the question. So each will pay 9,600, 9,600. How we will show in the partners capital account? We will show, who is that? Uh, Mohit and Rahul. Mohit's capital account and Rahul's capital account. So 9,600, 9,600 we will show. So next adjustment, share in profits up to the date of death on the basis of average profit. So what is the average profit we got? Average profit we got 16,000, correct? Out of this, total 16,000 is the average profit, into what is his share? 2 by 5, correct? So let me calculate here. Profits. Average profit is 16,000, correct? So we have to calculate Sohan's profit. Out of 16,000, his share will be 2 by 5, correct? So 2 by 5, it will be 6,400, but he is there, he is alive only for 2.5 months, correct? So we have seen it in the question. Let me show you. So he died on 15th June. We have calculated here 2.5 months he was there. So only for that period we have to pay the profits, correct? Only 2.5 months out of 12 months. So into 2.5 by 12. It is 1333 rupees. How we will show it? Profit and loss suspense account. Suspense account 1333. And the last one, interest on capital. What is the capital of Sohan? 25,000. So let me calculate here somewhere. Right. So 25,000. It is interest on capital. 25,000 into 12% for how many months? 25,000 into 12%. How many months he was alive? Only 2.5 months divided by 12. 2.5 by 12. How much it will be? 625. So interest on capital 625. Now, what is the last adjustment? New profit sharing ratio. They have given nothing else apart from this, nothing else. We can total the partners capital account. Let us see how much it is coming out. So 25,000 plus 10,000 plus 9,600, 9,600, 1333, 625. This is 56,158. 56,158. So what will be the balance? Minus 12,000. It is 44,158 rupees we have to pay to Sohan's executors account. Correct. So we will pay to Sohan's executor account 44,158 rupees. So that's it. If you have any doubts, you can ask through comment and also through Instagram. So note down the question and that calculation also, and the partners capital account, interest on capital on right side, and we have calculated goodwill and also Sohan's goodwill, who will pay, and also profit. Right, fine. That's the end of the video, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Meet in the next video. Bye bye.